Hey fam, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie. The first week of December is officially over. We only have 16 days till Christmas, but just as we thought that phone releases were done for the year, Huawei gives us a buzzer beater in the form of the Huawei Y6s. Now this phone costs less than 7,000 pesos, so in this video we're gonna see what it has to offer and we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing of the phone. But before we get to the unboxing, just a quick reminder guys, stay tuned to the very end of the video because I will be announcing the winner for the Realme 5 giveaway, plus I will be announcing the new giveaway as well. So yeah, stay tuned, and if this is your first time on the channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell as well because that is part of the mechanics. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. As usual, I will be skipping the entire unboxing process for the Y6s and just showing you what comes inside the packaging. I do have to note, however, that this is a marketing sample from the folks over at Huawei, so it might be missing a couple of things like a jelly case for the phone and the usual documentation. So we only have a SIM ejector tool, the micro USB cable, a 5-watt charger, and of course, the Huawei Y6s in the orchid blue color variant. So straight out of the gates, I do want to address a couple of things that I know that you might be asking already. Number one, does it have Google? And the answer to that is yes. So the Y6s does come with Google mobile services out of the box and you will have access to the apps that you typically use. And the second thing is the exact price of the Y6s, which is 6,990 pesos. So it's definitely part of the budget category. And with those two things out of the way, let's talk about the phone, starting off with its design and build quality. While some phones out in the market might be made out of plastic but made to look like glass, there's no guessing game when it comes to the Y6s. It's definitely made out of plastic, but it does have a two-tone finish. Now this is something that we saw in some of their past devices like the Huawei Y9 Prime, and it's definitely a good look. You've got a matte finish for 2/3 of the device and a glossy finish for the top third where the fingerprint scanner and camera module is. It kind of reminds us of the past version of the Google Pixel as well. Now for a quick tour of the device, you have the power button and volume rocker on the right side of the phone. Access to the SIM tray can be found on the left, and it's a triple slotted tray too, so space for 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card. On top you have the headphone jack and a microphone. And lastly, on the bottom is the micro USB port, which is flanked by speaker grills, though only the right one is an actual speaker and the microphone is on the other side. Up front is a 6.09-inch TFT display at HD Plus resolution or 720 by 1560. While I would typically prefer having a higher resolution display, I do have to remember the price for the Y6s and the fact that it's still on par with other phones within its range. It's decent, but I will have to test it out more to see if it's bright enough to be used outdoors or if I run into any other issues, but so far, so good. The speakers get pretty loud too, but you will experience a bit of distortion at higher volumes, so it's a good thing that this phone still has a headphone jack. For the processing package, the Huawei Y6s is running on a MediaTek Helio P35 processor or the MT6765. That's paired with 3GB of RAM and 64GB of expandable storage. Now I'm pretty sure that some of you will be up in arms that they went MediaTek. It is still capable of browsing through your social media feeds and playing some games though. Now I will advise you to stay away from heavier titles or that you put it at the lowest settings so you can really get the best frame rates possible. It should work well enough for Mobile Legends though, so if that's your jam and are on a super tight budget, this might be a phone to consider. Now let's talk about the camera, since it's been a while since I've actually held a device that has a total of 2. You've got a 13 megapixel rear camera at an aperture of f1.8 and that's it. No wide angle camera and no depth sensor. Honestly, it feels a little weird that I'm only mentioning one rear camera, but it is a little refreshing too. For selfies, you got an 8 megapixel front camera at f2.0. That's in that notch above the display. We were able to take a couple of sample photos around the home studio, but we definitely have to test out further. But it's not too bad given that you're getting this quality for less than 7,000 pesos. But we'll see how it really does as we use it more. Keeping the Huawei Y6s powered up is a 3020 mAh battery, so I'm not sure how long this will actually last, but I'm guessing at least a full day with moderate use as a safe estimate. And as I mentioned before, you are getting Google on this phone, so you can download all the apps you use typically. So that's Android Pie with EMUI 9.1 on top of it. So that's pretty much it for your quick look at the Huawei Y6s. Again, this phone is priced at 6,990 pesos and it made it just in time for the holidays. Now I will be doing a full review on this phone very soon, so stay tuned to the channel to see if it's actually worth considering. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, here's the winner for the Realme 5 giveaway. Congrats to the winner. Please get in touch with us via Instagram. You have 2 weeks to do so. If you don't, I will be raffling off the Realme 5 once again. So yeah, send us a direct message and we'll send you your prize as soon as we can. Now I did mention another giveaway and it's for another Realme 5, but this time I'll be hosting it on Instagram. So if you're not following us there, make sure you follow us at UnboxPH. All of the mechanics will be there as well. So best of luck, guys. I'll be drawing a winner in a week. Again, I'll have all the details on our Instagram account, so make sure you follow us there. Good luck. And that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. Thank you for spending a couple of minutes with me. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph. Plus, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.